Jobsite India wishes a very good morning and welcomes all aspirants. Day to day incidents are most important part in your competitive exams like Staff Selection Commission, Union Public Service Commissions, railways, banks, management, and others, as well as very helpful to those who wanna keep themselves up to date. You all are requested to enjoy this informative video till end without skipping. Without further delay, let's start. When Global Wind Day or World Wind Day is celebrated? 12th June, 13th June, 14th June, or 15th June? Let's guess the answer, please. I think you can. So let's move to the answer. The answer is option D, 15th June. It was started 15 June 1967 and organizer Wind Europe and GWEC, Global Wind Energy Council. Let's move to our next question, please. Who will captain Team India for the ODI T20 against Sri Lanka in July 2021? Shikhar Dhawan, Hardik Pandya, Sanju Samson, or Devdutt Padikkal? Let's check our answer, please. The answer is option A, Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar Dhawan will captain Team India on its 6-match ODI and T20 tour of Sri Lanka, which is scheduled to be held at the R. Premadasa International Cricket Stadium in Colombo between 13th July to 25th July 2021. Let's move to our next important question. What loan launched by SBI or State Bank of India for COVID 19 patient? Suraksha Personal Loan, COVID 19 Loan, Kavach Personal Loan, or COVID Treatment Loan? Let's have our answer, please. The answer is option C, Kavach Personal Loan. State Bank of India has launched a collateral free Kavach personal loan to enable its customers to meet medical expenses of self and family members for COVID treatment. Under this scheme, customers can avail of loan up to 5 lakh rupees at an effective interest rate of 8.5% per annum for 60 months, which is inclusive of 3 months moratorium. Let's move to our next slide, which is about SBI's details. SBI chairperson is Dinesh Kumar Khara, headquarter Mumbai, and it was founded on 1st July 1955. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which nation hosted the G7 Summit 2021? UK, France, US, or Italy? Let's check our answer, please. The answer is option A, United Kingdom. The G7 Summit 2021 has been hosted by the United Kingdom at Cabris Bay in Cornwall from June 11 to June 13, 2021. The UK has taken over the presidency over the group of 7 nations, G7, this year, and UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson took the opportunity to invite leading democracies to help the world fight and then build back better from COVID 19. Let's move to our next important question, please. Which city is named to the host of 2032 Olympic Games? Auckland, Adelaide, Wellington, or Brisbane? Let's check our answer, please. The answer is option D, Brisbane. The International Olympic Committee, IOC, Executive Board on 10th June 2021 decided to propose Brisbane for hosting the 2032 Olympics. The Australian city was put on the fast track to host the tournament when the IOC named it as the preferred candidate in February 2021. Let's move to our next important question, please. Olympian Surat Singh passed away recently was associated with which sport? Football, athletic, hockey, or boxing? Let's check our answer, please. The answer is option B, athletic. Olympian Surat Singh Mathur, the first from independent India to complete a marathon at the Olympics, passed away, running with the legendary Emil Zatopek. In the 1952 Helsinki Olympics, Mathur completed the marathon in the 52nd place. A bronze medalist at the first Asian Games in 1951, Mathur, who was born in Mohammadpur Majuri village in Delhi, was a two-time national champion. Let's move to our next question, please. Researchers from which Indian institute teamed up with a team from the University of Strathclyde in the UK to develop a low-cost sensor to detect COVID-19 in wastewater? IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, or IIT Kanpur? Let's check our answer, please. The answer is option B, IIT Bombay. Researchers from the University of Strathclyde in the United Kingdom and India's IIT Bombay have jointly developed a low cost sensor that can detect fragments of the virus responsible for COVID 19 in wastewater. Let's move to our next question, please. When will Bharat Biotech release Covaxin's phase 3 trial data to the public? July 21, September 21, October 21, or November 21? Let's have our answer, please. The answer is option A, July 2021. Hyderabad based vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech informed on 9 June 2021 that it will be publishing the complete data of the phase 3 trials of its vaccine in July 2021 and then apply for the full licensure of Covaxin. Let's move to our next important question. Which nation has declared figurative economic offender Mehul Chokshi as a prohibited immigrant? Antigua and Barbuda, Dominion Republic, Cuba, or Singapore? Let's have the answer, please. The answer is option B, Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic on 9th June 2021 declared fugitive businessman Mehul Chokshi as a prohibited immigrant for illegal entry into the country. Chokshi is wanted in India for the rupees 13,500 crore PNB scam case, India's biggest banking scam till date. Let's move to our next question, please. Who won the presidential election of Mongolia? Sakhyagin Elbegdoj, Okhna Khrelsuk, Nambarin Engbayar, or Natsagin Bagbandi? Let's check our answer, please. The answer is option B, Okhanna Khrelsuk. Former Mongolian Prime Minister Okhanna Khrelsuk became the country's sixth democratically elected president, further consolidating the power of the ruling Mongolian People's Party (MPP) with a landslide victory with 99.7% of votes counted overnight. Khrelsuk's tally had reached 21,136 or 68% of the total, the largest share of the vote since the democratic era began in 1990. Let's check bit something about Mongolia. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar and the Mongolian currency is Mongolian Tagrog. Let's move to our next important question, please. Who has been awarded the Pulitzer Prize for Music in 2021? Anthony Davis, Tanya Leon, Ellen Reid, or Kendrick Lamar? Let's check our answer, please. The answer is option B, Tanya Leon. The 105th Class of Pulitzer Prize 2021 winners in journalism, books, drama, and music were announced. The Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievements in newspaper, magazine, and online journalism, literature, and musical composition in the United States. It was established in 1917 by provisions in the Will of American Joseph Pulitzer, who had made his fortune as a newspaper publisher and is administered by Columbia University in New York City. Let's move to our next slide for other information about this. In 22 of the categories, each winner receives a certificate and 15,000 US dollar cash award raised from $10,000 in 2017. The winner in the public service category is awarded a gold medal. Let's move to our next important question, please. Let's have our question of the day. What is the capital of Mongolia? You all are requested to answer in comment. Thank you for watching till end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please attempt our current affairs test series, current affairs quiz for your revision purposes. The link is in our description box. Please do subscribe, like, and share with your acquaintances. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates. Till our next video, do take care of yourself and have a great day ahead. Thank you once again.